What up? It's Dashy. I'm just playing. It's me, cool kid. See, look, it's me. How you doing? Hey, before I even start talking, I'm gonna give you a cold start. You know what I'm saying? J's on my feet. J's on my feet. J's. Sorry. Ooh, these are getting a little dirty. Shit. What? You ready? 3, 2, 1. God damn, this shit is loud. How embarrassing would it have been if I just left it in first and took the clutch out and it just like stalled? Anyway, I want to get this clean one day because it's gross. Got music playing. Drake, shut up, Drake! 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 So, as you guys know, I have a misfire slightly in this car, and I cannot figure out what it is, or I could not, but I think I have an idea. I think it's the air filter. You know? Hold on. Look at this shit. It's not that bad. It's a little grimy, but like, it only makes sense. It's the only thing that I haven't really checked yet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have myself a day. I'm gonna go get some food, get some hair care products, cruise around, hang out. Cause like I said, I want this to be an IRL channel, not just car channel, but I'm still gonna do car stuff. But might go get some food, hair care products, new air filter, see if it works. I don't know how soon I'll be able to tell because it doesn't always misfire, it just sputters sometimes. So, but I think that might be it. So, yeah, you know, you see the J's, but all right, I got basically a direct replacement. It's the same exact one. Look at how fucking good this car looks. Oh my God. But, so yeah, I have a short ram. I want to eventually get a cold air. Don't mind my dirty interior. I got a lot of crumbs. I got to vacuum this stuff. Damn, everything's just falling out. Spaghetti's falling out of my pocket. So yeah, I want to get a cold air eventually, but I'm gonna go and put this on and see, one, if it's the same thing, and two, if it makes a difference. And like I said, eventually I'm gonna get a new intake, and then eventually we're gonna go boost. But I'm saying, so yeah, I got my hair care products. Now I'm about to go get some food. Probably gonna eat, and then we're gonna see if this is the same thing, because it looks the same to me. I don't know. It looked the same to me. So I'm gonna just directly replace it, see if it fixes my bitch ass misfiring. I hope it does. That'd be amazing. And then yeah, actually maybe I'll do a POV drive and see if it does that. We'll just drive around and see. Maybe that's what I'll do. Maybe, yeah, I'm gonna do that. You see, the weird thing about it, I like this little angle. I put it in a little cubby. It actually works. I might start using this. I'm pretty sure it's not safe when I'm accelerating because it's just gonna pop me right in my damn nose and break my shit. But like, it didn't misfire this whole time. This entire day that I've been driving, it has been an entire day. It's been like an hour and some change. Not even an hour, but I've been outside for an hour. It hasn't missed one time. Not even on idle. So now I won't even be able to tell if it really is that, but it makes sense because it's not a consistent miss. So it has to be like, oop, like, you know when like sometimes you might be breathing and then you choke on your spit and it slows you down a little bit? I think that's what it's doing to the car. And I think the fact that it's short rim, correct me if I'm wrong, Gabe told me, like, you know, you're bringing in more heat, so when it's a really hot day, the car struggles, and like my AC makes the car miss too. So I just think it's air. So I'm gonna just replace this damn I'm gonna replace this. That never gets old. I'm gonna replace this filter and see if it does anything. But like I said, the car isn't acting up right now. It's only sometimes. So let's see if it ever does it again. So boom, yeah, this does look like the same thing, right? Am I tripping? Am I bugging? It's the same shit. I'm currently in the Discord with Dream right now, talking shit like we do, and I'm gonna do this, and I have no idea what I'm doing, but I can figure it out. It's not hard. It doesn't seem hard at all, and yeah. So, see you in a second. Literally 2 seconds later, this is actually the same color as the car, and I have suspicion to believe that this was the same color as the car, but the dirt made it not the same color of the car. So I put it on. Like I said, I'm still like kind of new to all of this stuff, so I get nervous every time I do something. I'm gonna start the car and see what happens. I'm pretty sure nothing miraculous is gonna happen, But yeah, let's do it. Actually, I'm not even gonna cut it. We're just gonna get, damn, are those Nismo 370ZB1s? Damn, 10.5 all around. You got this, oh, wow. Wow. Brother, where your steering wheel at? Where your clothes at? Let me see, I'm still in the Discord, so I can't really hear. All right, 1, 2, wait. All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh no, it sounds crazy. I'm just playing. I think we're good. I mean, right? What else? Dragonfly next to my car. I don't know. I guess I would have to drive it to really see, but like, seems good to me. Let me see. I mean, it sounds like the air's flowing better. Just joking. So, I'm probably gonna go for a drive. Maybe not today. I actually been like trying not to drive this car, even though for some reason I daily it, even though I have a daily. But like, the control arm scares me, bro. I'm gonna put a picture of what happened. Like, my experience with control arms is just terrible, right? I had the SC300, and to replace those control arms was $800 because it shares the same chassis as a Supra. And I don't know what, but whatever, that's besides the point. I used to get them for cheaper, $400, $250, whatever. But one time, my shit snapped while I was parking. Put the picture somewhere here. So I'm like terrified of it, but I just can't stop driving this car because I love it so much. So if I do go for a cruise, it'll literally just be a cruise just to see if it's missing. And I can even just sit here idle. And I haven't really been feeling any misses still this whole time, so. Yeah, but I've just been trying not to drive it that much. Once I get these bushings going poly, I'll be more comfortable and confident. And I'm getting my whole alignment all around and, I mean, dialing the suspension. So that's what we're gonna do. Might do a drive if I don't do it today because it's about to rain, I think. I'm gonna do it tomorrow. And I'm sorry, I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah.
The next day.
Aha, my people. We hopping right into the drive. I told you I was gonna do a little POV and test the car, see if it's running smoother. I ain't gonna lie, it hesitated twice. So I'm a little upset, but it's not terrible. It never was terrible, besides that one day I was with Gabe, and the shit sounded like it had rolling anti-lag. It was stuck at like 3K and then it passed by. But it was hot that day, I had the AC on, so I'm pretty sure that's what that was. But I'm still just gonna go for a little drive. I'm not gonna go too crazy, because like I said, I need lower control arm bushings. But damn, bro, if y'all have any ideas of what it could be, let me know. I don't think it's spark plugs. I'm pretty sure I got those changed. I got the valve cover gasket changed. I don't know what else it could be. I remember Gabe saying something about the gallery gasket. Not sure if that would do this, because it doesn't make sense. It's like a random hesitation. It's not like all the time. It's not a consistent misfire. And when I first got the car, it was doing that at idle. I changed the spark plugs. I think that's what if I remember correctly. I changed the spark plugs and it fixed the issue. So, I don't know. I just realized I never did like a real pull on this channel in this car. Like, I guess with my current skill, if that makes any sense. Because all these videos that I've been posting is earlier when I wasn't really, I ain't really getting to driving mine like that. Like I was driving, but I wasn't like driving. So like, you know what I'm saying? Maybe we'll get a little pull going. It looks like there's a little bit of traffic. But yeah, like I said, I don't want to take corners too hard, because I think I showed you the thing with the Lexus, and if I didn't, I'm gonna put it on the screen now. And I think I told you guys that I'm over that, like being afraid of being too loud. Not even being afraid, I was just being considerate, which I still am, but I own, baby. Not really. I'm a nice guy, fun guy. What did Kawhi Leonard say?
I'm a fun guy.
Dark in here, but at least you can see outside the window, you know? Cause y'all know that's been my constant struggle with this POV thing. I hope you can hear me. So want to keep my windows open. That's how I like driving. Give a special shout out to everybody in the Patreon. You know what I'm saying? Some of y'all gonna see this early. You know what I mean? One of those tiers is gonna see this considerably early. I'm probably just gonna edit it today and post it today on the Patreon and then post it on YouTube later. But I'm really excited for like everything I got going on. I'm not gonna talk too much because I'm sure you can't even hear me, but yeah. I feel like the car is slower. I don't know if I've gotten used to the speed, but I feel like it's slower, and I won't know until I race somebody like Nick or a WRX STI or something. Then I'll know. But as of late, it's been feeling kind of slow. Who is the man? Shaft. Gas. Wait, what did that say? 565? Oh, diesel. Supreme is $5. That's not bad. I feel like in every video I'm saying I'm afraid of something, but I ain't no bitch though. Don't be down here thinking I'm a bitch. I'm just a cautious guy, a fun guy, like Hawaii. I don't even think you can hear me, bro. Throw my windows up for a second. But yeah, I'm always saying like, oh, I'm afraid my exhaust is too loud. Oh, I'm afraid of my lower control arms. Oh, I'm afraid. Bro, I'm sorry. I ain't no bitch though. Don't be out here thinking I'm some little bitch, little whole ass beat. Cause I not. No, I didn't stop talking because there was a sheriff right there. I wasn't. What? You would've. I don't want to drive with my windows up, and I haven't been using my AC because that causes the misfire as well. So yeah, in the comments, because y'all be helping out in the comments, I really appreciate y'all. Let me know if you have any ideas of what this could be. Is he spitting game? Why he hanging on the truck like that? Damn. And the thing is, like, I don't feel anything as far as the control arms go. It doesn't feel weak, but when I went to get tires for the stock wheels, they were like, oh yeah, you need control arms bad. So I don't remember what happened with the Lexus. I don't remember if I felt anything, but that shit just snapped out of nowhere. So I'm like, damn, what if I was driving when that happened? Because I was parking in a parking lot, thank God. But you know, I want to roll these windows back down. I hope it's not like terrible audio. Damn, because I don't want to go back home and be like, yo, you should have left the windows up. That would suck. Whatever, let's try it. Whatever, let's do it. YOLO, baby! Woo! So yeah, like so far since the camera's been on, it hasn't like hesitated at all, but it did twice, and it mostly does it at low RPM or like when I'm pulling off or like, you know what I mean? I don't know. But like, as you guys saw, I changed the filter, so I don't know. Come on, guys. Bruce Almighty, bitch. I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get some, not like I can go really fast anyway, but like, wow, this part of Mexico is really nice. I have so many plans, bro. There will be a drift car entering the channel eventually. I don't think I'm gonna drift the G35. If any of you are serious about buying the G35, I'll sell it to you. But otherwise, it's gonna go to the junkyard. And I'm gonna get probably, well, I don't want to tell you because I like surprises, but I'm gonna get a little drift car. Even though I think I just said it, I'm not sure. I'm gonna bleep it out if I did say it. You heard that perfect, not that perfect. Yeah, you heard that. I know you heard that. Oh, that feels so good to do. Oh man, or red match in the first. Psych. Oh Oh man, and I want to do it. See, it just hesitated. You saw that? It said, I don't know what that is. I was also considering that it could be the tune, because I think this car is tuned. I don't know for sure, but I really, really and strongly believe it is tuned, because it's not as fast as a regular base model 03 DE 350Z. You know what I'm saying? So I think it's tuned. And I don't know if it's something with the tune. I don't know when the tune was done. I don't know anything about the tune, who tuned it. But whoever did it did an amazing job, I ain't gonna lie, because this thing moves. So, but it doesn't feel like it moves anymore, and that's why I don't know. But I'm thinking it's the tune. I thought it was air. Maybe not. Maybe, I don't know. Could the intake be bad? I don't know. I don't know. But it's doing fine everywhere else though. It never really hesitates when I'm at speed anyway. Unless I'm like in 5th, low RPM, hit the gas. Like that's when it'll happen. But I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm enjoying every second of this, bro. I'm loving every moment. Putting the wheels on, putting the headlights on. I'm having fun, man. I really am. And I appreciate y'all for just tuning in. You know what I'm saying? And thank you for sticking around even though I do shit like that. Like, I don't even know what that was. I just get excited and then noise comes out. But like, I can't control it. I wonder how the audio is. Most people on this road, they boogie. Like they move. Oh my goodness. Especially at night, which is the scariest thing because a deer could just pop out at any moment. But I do remember I was driving down this road. I was coming this way, and there was I think a 240, a RX-7. It was like a line of JDM legends, and I was in the daily, so I didn't get the bro nod, but I wanted to be a part of that so bad. It's like, damn, I wish I was in my 350. I would have just ripped the e-brake, made a U-turn. When I get these control arms done, I'm gonna like attempt to like slide this car. Not really, because I'm under the influence that it's an open diff, but Gabe keeps saying you never know, it might be a VLSD. Nah, I think it's an open diff, but we'll see. Do some burnouts or something. Cause I don't really abuse my cars, bro. Like, I get busy, but I don't abuse my cars. There's a difference. I'm just a sucker for cars. I wanna say. Sorry. Let's make some noise, shall we? That gets me every time. Woo! Man. So I might do up and back, or I might just do up and stop the video. We'll see. If I can get some open road, that'd be cool. It's a nice ass house. Wow. Smells like shit. Smells like the asshole. Sorry, I don't know why I just randomly outbursted that, but it does smell like shit over here. I ain't gonna lie, it just stinks. It stinks. You know what? I think for the sake of time, I'll make a U-turn here because I don't want this video to be extremely long. I'll make a U-turn here, and then I'll just blast back. I hope there's no cars coming, but I'm gonna make a U-turn and just blast right back. Oh my God, rubbing. About to bust this Huey. Oh, there's a fucking minivan. It says no turn on red, so I'm gonna just wait. Because that minivan needs to go. How y'all doing today? Y'all good? Everybody good? As you can see, it's not really a problem, but I just want to solve it before it becomes a problem. All right, let's see. I'm gonna take it a little bit slow so that we can not catch up to the van as soon as we just give it a little bit of time, you know what I'm saying? Let's chat. How you doing? Say something in the comments to me and I'm gonna respond later because obviously this isn't a live stream. But let me go in a second. Okay, y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. Wasn't that lovely? Okay, see, that felt quick again. Maybe because I was in 4th trying to act like I'm boosted or something, that's why I felt that way. But damn, bro, why would you cut in front of me? I wanted to hit some corners and I already caught up to the van now, bro. Come on. And another car just turned in. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. It's about to rain too. Bro, this is such a nice, I want to hit these turns, but like, traffic, looking for my chapstick. I'ma blast it. What? I'm sorry. Look at this turn right here. Imagine hitting this at speed. Sorry. Go faster! I'm just kidding. This is a public Mexican road and you can drive as slow or as fast as you want. Obey the speed limit. This is all CGI, by the way. I don't actually have a license. Like, I'm not actually driving. This is a Assetto Corsa. But I'm just trying to make an IRL channel, so I'm lying to you guys about what I'm doing. But this really isn't like, this is just Assetto. And I'm literally in my room right now doing a voiceover in Premiere Pro, editing this shit. So it's not real. It's the crazy part. I won't be, I'm not gonna do that. Wow, that's, yo, actually you can see more. That's nice. I want to buy that. I'm gonna buy that one day. Not that one, because I don't know if I want to live here, but like, there's stupid kids that drive around in 350Zs with loud ass VQs back and forth up this road. I would never. Oh wait, that's me. Except I'm not a freaking kid. I'm 58 years old. Never disrespect my name. I think I might show you guys the road that I want to hit with Nick and Gabe. I'm not gonna hit it hard because I need control arms. I might actually end up kind of hitting it, but yeah, I'm gonna show you. And then once we get Nick and Gabe in the same spot and me, we'll hit this road. But we're saving it for all of us. And they actually do like races on this road. I wasn't aware of that, but they do. It's pretty cool. Ooh, those windows are sick. What the hell? That was nice. I don't know if you can see that. Here it is. Oh no, don't tell me you're going here too. Oh my goodness. Please, pull over, move, get out of my way. Let me go fast. You see this fast car behind you and you don't want to move. You are so rude and you only care about yourself. Move out of the way. Get out of the way. Pull over. Just kidding. Or am I? There's something in my eye. Something in the water. Shout out to Pharrell. This isn't the road. This is just the beginning of the road. But once we get to the one section, you'll know exactly why I'm saying what I'm saying. We haven't come up with an official name for it yet. For us, our little thing, because I'm pretty sure people call it something. But me and my crew, I want to call it the Nürburgring, but they're like, no, that's not even, that's, I don't, like, you know what I'm saying, so. Damn, Shawty got all that cake. I'm just playing, that's a joke. We don't objectify women. And I spelled objectify wrong in my last GTA video. Somebody pointed it out, but only one person. I said objectify. Holy shit. Oh my goodness. Bro, you know you could pull over at any moment. You could be nice to me. Also, I've been seeing comments of people saying like what it's like to live out in the sticks. And it's such an interesting thing, bro, because you're living a different lifestyle, you know? Like, you're not right next to the movies and the mall or to the grocery store. You gotta drive a little bit. I don't know if I asked it before, but like, what do you guys do for fun? Not even as a joke, like seriously. Because if it was me, bro, I'd be in the house playing games all day long. I don't give a fuck if I'm 58, still at my mom's house. I'll be playing games. It's a joke. It's a joke. I'm joking. Oh, there's another car. Oh, damn. Imagine. Oh, nah. Imagine. Oh, my goodness. Imagine, bro. Just falling into that in your car. That's a real BeamNG simulator right there. Oh, look at the cute little... Wait, did I have a Confederate flag? Never mind. Well, I mean, I guess it's good that there's people in front of me so I can't fall under my own peer pressure and actually hit the road. So I can just show you instead of... You know what I mean? But I couldn't wait, bro. We first found this road when I didn't have the G yet. Like, I had the G, but it was still in the shop. I didn't have the Z, so I didn't have a car to really drive. I had the GS, but it's not the same. It's a daily, you know what I mean? So this one, like, I have the Z now, stick. You know what I mean? Like, you know what I mean? So now it doesn't start just yet, I think, but it starts to get windy, and I like it. Wait till you see the view. I'm so excited for y'all to see this, bro. Yeah. But like I said, this is a really dangerous road, honestly. You gotta be careful. It's very dangerous. And that's why I like it. I like a little bit of danger. Nothing too crazy, you know what I'm saying? That's why my favorite car is the Carrera GT. It's dangerous. But like, yeah, you know. What's that? They probably like go quadding up there. You ever see a truck coming at you, crab walking? Is that what it's called? When the rear is like slightly kind of out and the front is going straight? I saw a truck doing that to me, and it wasn't on purpose. I'm pretty sure suspension was just messed up. But it was scary because I was like, what is going on? Are you coming towards me? And he was just going straight. I was like, oh, all right, cool, gotcha. Let me pull back a little bit because you can't even see the beauty because it's big ass. I'm not even gonna mention the name because you ain't paying me, and your internet is trash because I had it and it was fucking just ass. So my car pops a little bit too. I love it. It's not the obnoxious, but it pops a little bit. It goes. Little blurble. I'm a child, bro. Every time I hear that, I just giggle. Now look, this is where it starts really. Right here. Why does that Hyundai look like a Urus from afar? Hyundai. And then, you know, you hit this little turn. Oh my God, please. I want to do it, but maybe it's best that I don't. Like, look at this, bro. Do you see it? I know you see it, bro. I know you see it. And don't come at me for how I'm holding my hands. I'm literally cruising, so eat it in the ass. Then you go right. And then, like, bro, do you see this? He's going, he's leaving. So you go down, like, bro. Slow down, relax, relax. Calm down, J Show. Calm down, cool kid. I know you're excited, but you ain't got good lower control on us, motherfucker. Chill out. view. Now over here, bro, so my car is loud, as you guys know, and I think this is where they start the races. There's a little line right here. My car is loud, so I'm going down this hill, bro. Just imagine an X6 popping up in my rear view, right? Zooming, like flying down this hill. So I'm like, all right, cool. I speed up a little bit. I'm starting to slow down. He's not slowing down. So he goes in the left lane and he starts turning and he's going over on the side. He's on the side of the road, like over there, coming out. He spins out right here and he's facing us on this side of the road, looking dead in my eyes.
I'm not exactly sure. Yo, what?
Fucking idiot.
Bro.
Looked like an idiot. It was an X6, bro, not even an X6M. Like, why are you doing that? But like, look at these turns, bro. Look at how deep this turn is right here, bro. Oh my God. Ugh, I'm not rubbing or anything, that's good. You hit this turn right here. Deep. I don't even know if you could tell the undulation in the... You could hear my car from miles away. I thought that was a cop up there. I love it! Yo! So you know what? I think I'm gonna pull into this parking lot and end the video now. If I'm even allowed in here. Closed from dusk till dawn. Actually, I'm not even gonna do that. Cause I don't even want no beef. But yeah, that's the road, and like, I guess this is the finish line right here, which is really dangerous. Why would it be right here? But yeah, so oh my goodness, I have 19s now. I would like for you to not ruin my wheels. I guess that will be the end of the video. Let me know if you have any tips or advice for me for that slight little, I guess, quote unquote misfire, hesitation, whatever you want to call it. Like I said, I thought it was the air, and like, it's not terrible, but like I said, I want to figure it out before it gets worse. But yeah, man, make sure you do all the YouTube shit, like, comment, subscribe, turn those notifications on, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, you know what I'm saying? Consistent, cool kid, in the, you know what I'm saying, in the beat, finna get crunk, eyebrows on fleek. Look at all these bumps, oh my God. You got eczema? Don't hit me. Ugh, sorry. All right, I love y'all, I'm gonna catch y'all later. Bye!